Hello everybody and welcome back to Untitled Chapter. This is going to be a quick tutorial video showing you how to create an email signature in Microsoft Outlook 365. First of all, you're going to want to open up Outlook 365, assuming you've got it all installed and set up with your account. It might ask you to put in the password for your account, but if you tick remember my credentials, then it won't do it again. Once you've opened Outlook, you need to click into the inbox of the account that you want to make the signature for. Then click on New Email. From here you need to go to Insert and then Signature. Click on Signatures. Here you need to make sure that the email that you want the signature to apply to is selected here. And then click New to create a new signature. You have to give it a name, so just sort of give it your name or the email name, whichever you prefer. And once you've done that, if you click it, this window here is where you create your signature. So anything you put here will be displayed as a signature at the bottom of the emails that you create in this account. There's a lot of things you can do with this. You can add pictures, you can add hyperlinks. So if you want a really professional looking one for your business, you can add a link to your website, you can add a picture of perhaps your company logo. You can also add a business card from any of your contacts, so if you create a contact for yourself, it adds a professional looking business card to the window. For now I'm just going to make it quite simple and put Connect to Tech. I'm also going to add the Connect to Tech logo. Once you've got it looking how you want, you can actually choose when you want it to turn up as the default signature. So if you want it to appear for new messages that you create, you can select here, and if you want it to appear when you reply to someone, you can also select it there. OK, press OK. And now if you close this email message and press New Email, it should come up automatically at the bottom of your email. This can really help add a professional look to your email if you do a better job than I did. Obviously there is quite a few possibilities you can play around with in the tool. Creating a business card might be the most professional way of doing it, but yeah, that's about it from me. Let me know if you have any problems with it in the comments. Feel free to subscribe if you found this useful. Thank you for listening and goodbye.